Hey guys, how's it going? This is Dave, and welcome to a new episode of Jumpstart. Well, we've got a lot to talk about today. We've got a brand new freaking website. We're going to go over the Boss 09 Design Challenge results, as well as announcing our new Team Design Challenge. And finally, Martin's going to show us a sneak peek at character customization, a new feature a lot of people have been asking about. Alright, so you may have noticed that the new atmosphere.com website went live this week, and it's got a lot of new stuff. One of the biggest things is a new help section. So if you have questions about how do I make moving platforms, or how do I edit my control scheme, you can check it out right there. And there's a bunch of new video tutorials that will help you, walk you through step-by-step instructions on how to do certain things in Atmosphere. Now also make sure to check out the news section, and this is a blog we're starting where you'll be able to see the new Jumpstart episodes, game announcements, updates, talking about all sorts of different Atmosphere-related things. So make sure to bookmark that page or follow us via the RSS link on the right-hand column. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter and all that stuff that's over there. And make sure to check out the community links as well, where we've got links to the Atmosphere fan chat room that some of you members put together. And there's always someone to talk about Atmosphere in there. And there's also YouTube fan-made videos that people have made. We have about 83 videos, I think, now that people have made about Atmosphere. There's some really funny stuff, so make sure to check that stuff out. Okay, so let's take a look at the Boss 09 Design Challenge results. A few weeks ago, we asked you guys to create the best Atmosphere level based around some sort of boss battle. And you guys sent in 126 different entries, so this is our best design challenge so far. It was hard to narrow it down to a top 10 list, so we did things a little bit differently this time. We looked at the number of stars and plays the levels had in the play browser. We also asked people in the forums what their favorite levels were, as well as our moderators. And then we here at Miner Studios made our own picks as well. So we mixed that all up into a secret formula, and that's how we came up with this top 10 list. At number 10, we have Burger King by Memphiston. And basically it's this giant hamburger that's taking revenge for all the burgers you've had in the past, and it essentially eats you at the beginning of the level. Pizza Boy said this level was his pick for having the best story. At number 9, we have Donkey Kong's Lucky 13 Keys by Baka Sama. Elite Black Dragon said, it's a fun to explore block art creature, it has to be on my list, and this is it. A lot of you agreed, not only did this level look really cool, but it's a great challenge jumping around a huge primate to find 13 keys needed to reach the finish flag. Number 8, we have The City by Dr. Fuzziness. Jacobo called this the most annoying Big Boss 09 level. This level is absolutely huge. It's broken into all sorts of different rooms, each with their own individual challenges, and all leading up to a final boss battle in the sky. Dr. Fuzziness said this level took him several months to make, and dedication shows. At number 7, we have The Escape from the Giant's Prison by Pinstro. Phantom Boy said this level was pretty hard, but still fun. It's a giant who's locked you up in a jail, so you've got to escape and fight him at the end of the level. It's a pretty clever level filled with some nice little jumping puzzles. Number 6, we have Wrath of the Gods 4, Egypt the Sphinx by Clint Sunset. And this is one of the last entries in, so it probably didn't get as much attention as it deserved, unfortunately. This is a huge recreation of the famous Egyptian landmark, and it requires you to bomb and unlock your way around from inside the sand to find plenty of secret chambers and challenges. At number 5, we have Death Machine by The Ultimate Yoshi. And ABZ666 said this was the hardest level he played, but it really gives you a sense of satisfaction when you finally finish it. This alien spaceship is on a mission to destroy Earth, and you've got to find a way inside to bomb the core. This one really captured the boss theme well, and if you really have a death wish, you can try the heroic mode version of the level that was also uploaded. At number 4, we have Sidewalk Showdown by Blazing Platinum. Amethyst said this was a fun level, a little easy, but the time limit gave it some tension. With just 3 minutes and 1 life, every step counts as you face off against a group of crabs and their deadly little village of traps. At number 3, we have Donkey Kong by Young Link. Abrelita said, I definitely couldn't beat this one. I don't think even OK Samurai has yet. Young Link did such a great job of using Atmosphere items to recreate the original Donkey Kong game. It's tough you don't have any checkpoint flags, but it makes it more true to the original. I couldn't have said it better myself, and yes, Abrelita, I have beaten it. Okay, I went in and changed the rules and took out half the skulls and gave myself 100 lives, but hey, I think it still counts. At number 2, we have Crash Mac by Phantom Boy. Hello Dude said this was a little long and hard, but overall a very fun level. You run inside a crashed old-school Mac computer to find a winding path through its insides filled with hazards. It should also be mentioned that this was the number 1 star ranked level with over 170 stars. And finally, at number 1, we have The Brown Bullet by Raspberries. Pizza Boy said this was the best illusion for making it look like a giant bullet speeding by you at the beginning. Jacobo said it had the best originality. Abrelita said the keys were really well hidden, and Amethyst said it had the right amount of difficulty and had very clever design. For all those reasons and more, congratulations Raspberries, you've got the #1 Boss 09 design level. So congratulations to all the winners, and thank you to everyone who participated. It was really hard, as I said, to narrow it down to a top 10 list. There were way more than 10 good levels out there, so make sure to search for Boss 09 in the search bar and you'll find tons of great levels out there. Now it's time to talk about our next design challenge, and this one is going to be our first team design challenge. It's the Team 09 challenge. And what we're going to ask you to do this time is find a designer teammate, either on the forums or a friend of yours, and create 2 levels around a central theme or concept. So for example, if I teamed up with Martin, we could make a sandcastle themed series called Dawn of the Crustacean. I would make and upload the first level, maybe a quicksand beach of some sort, and then I would call my level Dawn of the Crustacean level 1 out of 2 with the Team 09 tag at the end. And then Martin would make and upload a second level that continues the story, maybe a giant sandcastle filled with crabs, and call his level Dawn of the Crustacean level 2 out of 2 with Team 09 at the end as well. Make sure you have a common theme or story. Just don't put 2 random levels together without any sort of connection. The more connected and creative you are with your teammate, the better. The deadline is Monday, February 16th, so find a teammate and get started.
Hey, what's up guys? How's my favorite community doing? I hope you guys are well. So I'm probably again in the middle of a Jumpstart made by Dave, which is probably awesome. He's telling you all about the new site and upcoming features and all that. But I just want to update you on what we are doing down here in Buenos Aires. We've been working very hard, mainly on 2 fronts. One that you guys already know, we've been trying to remove a lot of bugs and improve performance and all that. And the other one is our upcoming great new feature, the character customization. So it's great. I think that you can sneak peek a little bit back there what we have going. I'm actually doing QA and preparing a development build for Dave so he can help me testing out a lot of stuff, and it's gonna be huge. And so yeah, we're working on that. We're almost there. I think that we still have a week of testing, stuff like that, and making sure everything looks as best we can, and then we're gonna release to you guys. So that's it for the update in Argentina. So I want to say one more thing. I wanted to bring like the whole team, but they're very busy with long beers and not looking that good because we're crunching. We are pushing 10 to 14 hour working shifts here, and it's been a lot of work, and it's all for the community. So I hope that you guys appreciate when this comes out. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.